Seem to be
It's quite a different tank, isn't it?
now if I
heard.
let's just record this carefully. I'm just going to set the water going. Turn that off.
It can manage the water.
Well, wait.
What's that little sign coming up mean on the screen?